जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णां जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः।
Reminiscences and Conversations recorded by Swami Arupananda. Place Udbodhan, Kolkata. On the day previous to my initiation, I said to the Holy Mother, "Mother, I want to be initiated." Mother said, "Have you not been initiated yet?" I answered in the negative. "I thought that you had been initiated," she said. After initiating me, she blessed me, saying, "May your body and mind become pure by repeating the name of God." Arupananda. What is the need of repeating the mantra with the fingers? Is it not enough to do so mentally? Mother, God has given the fingers that they may be blessed by repeating His name with them. Udbodhan, Kolkata, 25th September 1910. The mother was engaged in a conversation with me in the morning. Arupananda. Mother, if there exists some being called God, why is there so much suffering and misery in the world? Does He not see it? Has He not the power to remove it? Mother, the creation itself is full of misery and happiness. Could anyone appreciate happiness if misery did not exist? Besides, how is it possible for all persons to be happy? Listen to a story. Sita once said to Ram, "Why don't you remove the suffering and unhappiness of all your subjects? Please make all the inhabitants of your kingdom happy. If you only will, you can easily do it." Ram said, "Is it ever possible for all persons to be happy at the same time?" "Why not?" said Sita. "Please supply from your royal treasury the means of satisfying everyone's wants." "All right," said Ram. "Your will shall be carried out." Ram sent for Lakshman and said to him, "Go and notify everyone in my empire that whatever he wants he may get from the royal treasury." At this, the subjects of Ram came to the palace and told their wants. The royal treasury began to flow without stint. When everyone was spending his days joyously, through the Maya of Ram, the roof of the building in which Ram and Sita lived started to leak. Workmen were sent for to repair the building. But where were workmen to be had? There was not a laborer in the kingdom. In the absence of masons, carpenters, artisans, all buildings went out of repair and work was at the standstill. The subjects of Ram informed the king of their difficulties. Finding no other help, Sita said to Ram, "It is no longer possible to bear the discomfort of the leaking roof. Please arrange things as they were before. Then all will be able to procure workmen." Now I realize that it is not possible for all persons to be happy at the same time. Let it be so, said Ram. Instantaneously, all things were as before, and workmen could once more be engaged. Sita said to Ram, Lord, this creation is your wonderful sport. Mother continues, no one will suffer for all time. No one will spend all his days on this earth in suffering. Every action brings its own result, and one gets one's opportunities accordingly. Arupananda, is everything then due to karma? Mother, if not, to what else? Don't you see the scavenger carrying the tub on his head? Disciple, whence does one first get the propensity which leads him to an action, good or bad? You may say, as an explanation of the propensities of this life, that they are due to the actions of the previous life, and the propensities of that life to the preceding one. But where is the beginning? Mother, nothing can happen without the will of God. Not even a blade of grass can move. When a man passes into a favorable time, he gets the desire to contemplate on God. But when the time is unfavorable, he gets all the facilities for doing evil actions. Everything happens in time according to the will of God. It is God alone who expresses His will through the actions of man. Could Narendra, she is referring to Swami Vivekananda, by himself have accomplished all those things? He was able to succeed because God worked through him. The Master has predetermined what he is going to accomplish. If anyone surrenders himself totally at his feet, then the Master will see that everything is set right. One must bear with everything because everything is determined by action, karmas. Again, our present actions can counteract the effect of past actions. Arupananda, can action ever cancel action? Mother, why not? If you do a good action, that will counteract your past evil action. Past sins can be counteracted by meditation, japa, and spiritual thought. One must live very carefully. Every action produces its results. It is not good to harass others or use harsh words towards others. Disciple, Mother, a magosa tree does not produce a mango, nor does a mango tree produce a magosa fruit. Everyone reaps the result of his own karma. Mother, you are right, my child. In course of time, one does not feel even the existence of God. After attaining wisdom, jnana, one sees that gods and deities are all Maya. Everything comes into existence in time and also disappears in time.
यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्या स्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम् शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्।